All right, hey guys, I'm going to put up a few different bump plays on here. You're going to notice there's a couple different scenarios that they're going to bunt. So this one, the bases are actually loaded. So we're on first, second, third. They're actually going to squeeze with a four-side at home plate. So just something to keep you on your toes to where we're always making sure we're paying attention in this situation. All right, so right here, this is where they go through a bunt. We got a force out here. Too late getting the ball there. Just something to make sure that your footwork's aware. And really, they get themselves in trouble here. Staley does in that inning. If the play is really that close at home plate, we got to be able to get them out at first base and try to fight and live another day. But it's just something else. Maybe we can key on that. She's probably really paying attention to where you guys are standing, and so that's something to kind of really just be aware. All right, here's another example of a squeeze play. This is against Smithville. Fast forward here. There we go, right here. So squeeze at the first baseline. Really, in that situation, the fielder probably should have let that ball go, but just weren't in a good enough position to really have a chance to make a play on that. All right, got another bump play here. Talked about this, where the runner is taking a very aggressive angle around second base. After the bunt, they are obviously trying, they're keying. So go back and talk about one thing here real quick. I mentioned this yesterday to Briley and them. So the biggest key here is the third baseman is way out of position. I mean, not even remotely close with it. The ball is being bunted towards the first baseman, and the third baseman is chasing this ball. Like, I have no idea why the third baseman's going here. Shortstop has the responsibility of second base, and which is how we run this same exact defensively. And realizing that there's no one at third and no one's even paying attention, they're going here. So understand that we don't have a play here. Like, the catcher doesn't have to stay here. You know, if we're not here, then we've got to – this person, if this happens, the catcher has got to get to third base. Has to. There's not going to be a play at home plate on this play. It's going to be at second base or third base. So we got to get here to prevent that from happening. You know, if we had to, we could have the first baseman rotate down, or the third baseman or pitcher can cover the space. There's no other difference. The catcher doesn't have to stand here just because they have gear on. So somebody's got to get there. The shortstop is smart enough and realizes this, and they are trying to get to third base. It's pretty obvious to me. I've seen them run this enough times that they are keying on this, and they actually get her on a rundown and they get her out. Just simply, that's in my mind, that's poor base running, but just something that they're trying to do and take advantage of. Just pay attention for that. Okay, nothing special here. So just have a bump play. Let's just run regular, just so you can visually see how they're going to run this. As a team, they got runners on first and second. They're going to bunt. We're just going to try to get the out here at first base. And that's it.